लास्ट डे इन इस्लामाबाद। मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं है व्लॉग करने का, बट these girls will not let me rest। बंदे को आराम नहीं करने देंगे, they want me to vlog, so yes, yeah, तो vlog होगा। I will try my best कि vlog करूँ, but mentally मेरे दिमाग is like
कोई मेंटल नहीं है।
हम I think we have been up very early, तो दिमाग हमारा थोड़ा खटका हुआ है इस टाइम, but it's gonna be a very long day। लॉन्ग डे ऐसे लाइक बहुत काम वगैरह है, आधा तो काम हो गया। वी प्रिंटेड आउट माय स्टफ, वी गोइंग टू पेम्स, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग। पीछे मैंने अपने लिए सेपरेट ड्रेस रखा है इन केस वी गेट टाइम टू गो टू फैसल मॉस्क, एंड इफ वी डू मैंने वो पहन के आई हैव टू टेक अ पिक्चर। सो फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टा इफ यू वांट टू सी द पिक्चर व्हिच आई माइट टेक, दैट इज द अपडेट। आई डोंट वांट टू फिल्म।
सैल्यूट करो जल्दी।
माशाल्लाह, डू इट। Why didn't you salute? It's not true. Hey, Pakistani. Getting my CV done with my application. Let's go submit and then we can go eat. Oh, I will access.
A few minutes later.
Just left the place. पीछे है, leaving the place, and struggles it was literally, but I'm happy। हो गया, application दे दी। Now I'm gonna go eat। So I'm gonna sit down, find a place जहाँ पे हम बैठ के खा पी सकें and free our mind from what we just saw and experienced। Oh माशाल्लाह, it's a school। So this is a school wall। इतनी प्यारी आर्ट वर्क की हुई है on the walls। Pretty माशाल्लाह। We're almost there to the expectation। We're here, expectation। Car are. Oh, she's so cute। Someone's working. Someone's shooting for their reel।
1 hour later.
So our food is finally here। Got my open sandwich। That's the club sandwich। That's
Putin.
Okay, Putin. This is almost Gadam।
The president.
Oh. So the coffee, you guys can see, it looks good। My open sandwich, don't fall। Just so we're going back, getting my Insta content right here। Oh my god। So we're done with the food। We took the takeaway ले लिया इनकी। We get hungry and I didn't get my pancakes। They forgot to get my pancakes and we got upset। हमने कैंसिल कर दिया, हमने कहा नहीं चाहिए pancakes। We came to Centaurus, इस्लामाबाद का जो मॉल है, and we're gonna shop for the wedding dress। निकाह ड्रेस की शॉपिंग करेंगे and so pretty. Hadi loves Pakistan, so do we. We literally scooped through the whole mall. दुकान से दुकान, दुकान से दुकान, दुकान से दुकान, and we're not liking it. We liked one, and she's trying it, but it doesn't look nice on it. So I'm gonna change the shop, I'm gonna change the place. Some dress नहीं मिल रही.
I think let's go to Limelight.
And we chose the same dress जो हमने Limelight से ली थी. Oh my god, it looks so pretty, especially with the bag, purse.
मुझे आ रही है नींद. She wants books.
You guys, this is what Aisha wanted, and I feel like Amna will like this, and also the haunting of the Hill House.
Oh, there's a book on that.
Yeah, so excited. And even this is crime. Seems like, I hope it's nice.
Let's go.
According to them, it's going to be a steal. 25.60.
I'm not happy. Yes.
That's what
Yes.
we want.
Oh my god, the dress are working. Oh my god. They're so cute.
ये मेरा गाजर का
Such a pretty sky blue color. Same like my outfit.
Guys,
2 hours later.
came home. हमने खाना घर आके खाया है. We changed again. We got ready and now we're going again बाहर. So we're leaving right now. And जो रह जाएगा we have to complete अभी. So we're taking hour. Okay. सर शादी हो रही है, इतना ढोल ढमक्की की आवाज़ आ रही है यार. So we are here. जिसके लिए आए थे. They have some stuff to do. This is But our work done, जिस काम के लिए आए थे, and now we're gonna rush home, run home. कितना टाइम हो गया? 8 तो हो गए होंगे.
It's almost 9.
Oh my god, it's almost 9. So we're gonna run home. वहाँ पे डाई बन रहा है. So cool यार. Stitching is being done. वहाँ पे डाई. Last night, the last time going back home.
Follow along the journey.
देख अब हम जा रहे हैं. We are moving. Oh. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god. What are we even doing? Don't be too fast. I don't wanna fall. No, it's so fun. I'm like up here. You guys. You can't do this in Dubai. So it's a new experience. With me.
Look at the stars.
I hope you can't see the stars, but mashallah. Packing has started. The packing has begun. And look at this bag. It's that cute and vibrant. So pretty. Babe gave me this. And auntie gave me this. Also, my documents. This is what she gave me. So, yeah, look at this. So ethnic, you know. So
Yeah.
cute. And a shawl for mom. So pretty. And biscuit. She's literally in front of you.
Oh my god, don't tell me she's there.
No, she's not there. Find her. Where's Biscuit? Where is Biscuit?
Oh my goodness.
She literally went inside. Oh my god, look at her. Hello. Hi, Biscuit. Oh my god.
Biscuit. Look at your eyes. Biscuit. No, she loves to bite. Mommy.
Oh, such a cutie.
Oh my goodness.
Look. She knows. No. Should we carry you? Let's carry you.
God, Biscuit.
Bye. So the packing is done. I think 1 घंटा लगा होगा या उससे ज़्यादा लगा होगा to fit all the stuff जितनी शॉपिंग की है in that bag. इनके मैं वहाँ से स्टफ ले आई थी and the bag was full. You saw the vlog. अगर आपने vlog देखा होगा मेरा पिछला, bag was full, पूरा भरा हुआ था. And I got more stuff. So you can imagine कि कितना स्ट्रगल होगा कि मैंने अपना पूरा सामान इसमें फिट किया है. and that is what Rabia gave me, the yellow bag, and it was so useful. पूरा भर दिया मैंने उसे. But yeah, the packing is done. The flight is tomorrow, and kind of sad, kind of excited to see everyone, especially Farhad. She's been missing me so much. Yeah, बेचारी रो रही थी मेरे नाम से. So I'm kind of excited to see Farhad, and a bit sad leaving Islamabad. Diba is also coming to Dubai with me tomorrow. उसकी flight 1 बजे, मेरी flight 3 बजे है. So there's an hour difference in the flight, but she's also coming with me, and we'll see what to do next. This is Hipa packing, and we are just watching the movie while she packs. Since we ate long back, we're just ordering food abhi and packing and watching a movie and having a food at home delivery करके. We're gonna eat food, relax, क्योंकि सुबह हमें निकलना है for the airport. So thank you so much for watching. आज के लिए बस what happened. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and click on the bell icon. अगले vlog तक अल्लाह हाफिज़.
Oh my goodness, cutie. I'm gonna miss you. Oh my goodness.
Did you just burp?
Hello.
No. Oh my god.